Hello crypto fellows, and welcome back to my channel. If you are a crypto enthusiast, join the fam by hitting that subscribe button and enabling the notification bell to stay updated about all crypto realm news. Without any further ado, let's hop right in. If you are seeking an easy way to make a couple of $100, then you are in the right place. But keep in mind that nothing comes for free. Before we proceed, please note that this is an educational video and should not be considered financial advice. In this video, I will present one of the most innovative crypto methods available, featuring beautiful creative strategies that require minimal investment. Just a couple of bucks can grow to hundreds or thousands of dollars in minutes. The rug pull method is your gateway to easy income during this bloodbath in the crypto market. Just make sure you have a Solana wallet and fund it with some Sol, and let's get into it. First things first. Before we make any move, we must develop a good strategy to find the right project to work on. In this matter, we will search for reliable, upcoming crypto projects. Afterwards, we will copy their token name and any other related information. Just look online for good Solana projects without official tokens, or search on Twitter for solid Solana projects. After we find our project, we will be copying its name and everything else. Then we head over to the LUNA Launcher tool to create our token. I will keep all the links to these tools in the video description. In my case, I have chosen this trading project, which looks fine. I will copy all its info into the LUNA tool. Just make sure to do everything as I did to get the most out of your rug pull. After we are on the LUNA Launch main page, select the Create Token page, then copy the project token name. In this case, we will use Traded.fund for the token name and trade as the token symbol. Leave the decimals at 9. In the supply box, type 1 billion, which will be the initial number of available tokens when your token is created. Then head to the logo and upload your project's PNG logo. By the way, I have downloaded it from their Twitter page. Also, copy the description from the main site or their social networks. Keep all choices unmarked except the social links and tags box, and fill it with the social links to give your token more credibility. Also, keep all these choices up. After verifying everything is correct, click Launch Token. Remember guys, the creation process can vary from user to user, as can the transaction table. I have already created tokens with the same wallet, so you can say my wallet address is whitelisted on LUNA Tools. If you are creating a token for the first time and see a red page, it's because your wallet API hasn't been verified yet. Now, wait for a few minutes and your token will appear in your wallet. Let's verify on SolScan, okay? As you can see, everything looks fine so far. In this next step, I need you guys to stay focused with me as it is very sensitive. If we want our token to be tradable, we should create a liquidity pool. Numerous websites provide this service, but the best one is Radium, whose link I will include in the description as well. Before you initiate this process, top up your wallet with at least 0.5 SOL. Now we should select Create Standard AMM Pool, then copy and paste your token address. Our token name isn't showing because Radium needs at least 3 hours for the token symbol and logo to appear. For the token supply, set it to 900 and keep 100 as I said to give the token credibility. Verify that everything is in its place, then hit the Create button. Now copy your AMMID to your notes to keep it safe. Now head over to Deck Screener. You will also find a link in the description. Choose any coin and copy and paste your AMMID. You will see your token chart. At this moment, you are all done. Wait for the buyers to come. It could take a few minutes or up to 3 hours to see decent results. Now I will set the video to time lapse until I see good results at Radium. Great. As you see, buyers are pouring in. Let's check Radium and see how much we've made so far. Around 800 bucks. Not bad. It could have been more if we picked up a better project. But no problem. I will do it in the next few hours. Now, remove all the liquidity to get away with those sniper bots money. Unfortunately, as it seems bad for those buyers, it's good for us. And that's how crypto works. Well, mates, I hope that you find this video beneficial, and if you do, share it with your crypto fellows. See you at the next one with a new crypto gem.